The ADI Math Instructional Model includes 7 stages of activities. These stages are designed to serve as a framework or guide for teachers when facilitating a mathematical investigation. In this video, we will go over the first stage of the instructional model, which we call the task stage. During the task stage, students are introduced to a phenomenon to figure something out, a task to complete, and an opportunity to share their own ideas about how to complete that task. At the start of this stage, students will be introduced to a phenomenon by either watching a short video about some event, viewing one or more images designed to trigger curiosity, or completing a short activity that ends with something that is unexplained. Students are then given an opportunity to write down things that they notice and wonder about the phenomenon. The purpose of introducing the phenomenon at the beginning of the investigation is to create a reason for students to learn and use the mathematical concepts and practices to figure something out. It also makes the investigation more meaningful and relevant to them. We think that when students are learning mathematics that they see as meaningful and relevant, they are more likely to participate in the learning activity. They are also more likely to dig into and grapple with essential mathematical concepts when they see these concepts as being useful or making sense of the world around them. After students had an opportunity to share the things that they noticed and wondered about the phenomenon, either in a small group or as a whole class, they are introduced to a specific task that they will need to complete. The task for the investigation is based on common questions that students have about the phenomenon, and it is designed to provide a specific goal for the investigation. The task also includes a guiding question that helps students focus their process as they attempt to make sense of the phenomenon over time. Once students are introduced to the specific task and guiding question, they are given an opportunity to write down some things that they already know about the topic and what they could potentially do to complete the task. Students can use their time to create a model, draw a picture, or list some potential strategies. This is important because students have many ideas that they can use to help make sense of what is happening in the world around them. Students then share their thinking with other people in their groups. As part of the process, students begin by asking questions of each other and identifying things that they will need to know more about to successfully complete the task. Finally, each group is given an opportunity to write down 2 or 3 things that they think will be important to learn about during the investigation. At this point, students are ready to move on to the idea stage of the investigation. To help students get the most out of the task stage of an ADI investigation, teachers should focus on helping students understand the overall goal of the investigation and elicit student ideas. It is also important for teachers to make sure the learning environment is safe and inclusive as possible, so that students feel comfortable sharing their thinking and making mistakes.